Assalamualaikum, it's me Priyanka from class 7 from Excelsior School. Today the topic on which I am going to present is digestion in human beings. First of all, what is digestion? The process of converting complex food substances into simple and absorbable form is called digestion. The human digestive tract is 10-meter long and muscular tube beginning from mouth and ends at anus. It consists of following parts: mouth and buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Mouth. Mouth cavity is an anterior opening of digestive system which ingested food. The food is then grounded up by teeth and moistened with saliva to make it easy to swallow. Pharynx. It is a funnel-shaped passage common to both air and food. Esophagus. It is a muscular tube which connects the mouth to the stomach and helps the food to move down to the stomach. Stomach. It is a sac-like muscular organ which churns the food to help it break down both mechanically and chemically. It secretes an acid called hydrochloric acid which kills harmful germs present in food. Digestion of food, especially proteins, continues in stomach. Small intestine. It is the longest part of digestive canal, narrower than stomach. It consists of three parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Duodenum. It is largely responsible for continuous breakdown process. Jejunum and ileum. They are mainly responsible for absorption of nutrients into the bloodstream. Large intestine. It is a muscular tube responsible for processing waste. H2O and useful nutrients are also absorbed through its walls. It consists of three parts: caecum, colon, and rectum. Rectum. It is a bag-like structure which ends in an opening called anus. The rectum stores undigested food as fecal matter till it is passed out. Associated with the alimentary canal are subglands that secrete digestive juices and helps food and digestion. These glands are salivary gland, tissue, liver, and pancreas. Salivary glands. It produces enzymes to break down starch into smaller molecules. Saliva also helps to kill harmful bacteria and food. Liver. It produces bile that helps to break down fat into smaller molecules. Pancreas. It secretes digestion enzymes to break down carbohydrates and proteins into their smaller form. Thank you.